Today we're going to talk about making trail signs so that you can guide and point your fellow scouts down the correct trail. Sometimes when you're hiking down a trail there's some really good markers and trail signs. I'll show a couple of examples of those. Oftentimes though there's not much in the way of trail signs, and sometimes there's forks in the road and you want to make sure that your troop goes down the right way. So Dakota and I are going to make a couple of trail signs where this trail divides and show you a couple ways to make them out of sticks, rocks, and then pebbles. So you can make trail signs out of any of those. Well, the key points about trail signs and symbols is if you see one, don't disturb it because it could be somebody else's trail marker that's very important to them. You ready, Dakota?
Here's our fork in the trail. I will set up some rocks to show we should take the right one or the left one, or that we should stop. So the three rocks sitting there, there's two sitting on top of each other on the left and one on the right. That would indicate if you're hiking down the trail and got to this point, you should turn to the right and continue down the trail. We've got the three rocks pointing us down the left trail. We've got two on the right side that are stacked on top of each other and one to the left. The three rocks that are sitting across the trail indicate that we should stop and we're going the wrong way. You could also make an X with sticks or an X with pebbles to indicate that they are headed the wrong way. You can also make trail signs using tall grass and rope by tying strands of tall grass together and pointing in the direction the trail wants to go. This one's pointing to the left. This one here is going to be pointing us down the right side of the trail. And then we can take three different bushels or sets of tall grass and tie them together, indicate that there's danger ahead. Now there's a lot of different ways to make trail signs. This illustration shows a lot of different ways with sticks, stones, and pebbles. No matter what material you use when you're making trail signs, be sure to put them in an obvious place so that your fellow scouts and hikers can find them. Here's a trail sign that has not only the name of the trail and the direction, but the distance of the trail. The type of trail marker I will discuss is trail blaze. These can be plastic, metal, or even paint on the bark of the tree. In all cases, these are installed and maintained by the organization that maintains the trail. And at no time should you remove them or deface them. Hope you have a happy time hiking. Get out and explore nature.